Hey you guys, what's going on? I'm so excited to finally be posting this video. I recorded it a while ago. I'm just now being able to speak from being sick for a week. So I'm glad we're all here and ready to do some makeup for our Thanksgiving day. I'm starting off with the brows just using the Benefit Brow product. Just gonna kind of fly through this really quickly. Alright, so next I'm taking the NARS concealer just to prime the eyes, and also I'm using this on a flat brush to kind of clean up and shape the eyebrows as well. I'm so sorry if my voice cracks or sounds super raspy. Like I said, this is the first day in a week that I've been able to speak. We're going to go in with the NYX Color Brights palette here, and on a fluffy brush I'm going in with that really bright yellow and basically just fluffing this right above my crease and blending it upwards basically into my brow. I did layer on this color quite a bit until I got it into the intensity that I would like. Alright, on a smaller brush, I'm taking that light orange shade, packing this into the crease and blending it into the yellow shade. This is going to take some time to blend out, but just keep on layering your color, blending it out, layering on the color and blending it out once again until you reach the intensity and the color that you would like. I'm going to take this dark orange shade just on the same brush and putting that right underneath the light orange shade and just kind of mixing the two together. I'm also going to be putting this in the outer corner as well. I feel like this look is perfect for Thanksgiving, for fall. Just all the orange and yellows really makes it stand out. I'm taking the same NARS concealer on a really small pointy brush, and we're going to cut the crease, which means I'm going to bring that concealer just above my crease, kind of cleaning up any eyeshadow that got onto this area, just so that we have like a really precise, clean area to work with. I'm going to start on a gradient effect on this area next. Taking the darker orange, I'm going to lightly pack on this shade. It's not going to be as intense as what's on our outer corner, as you can see. In the middle of that cut crease area is going to be the light orange shade here, and then in the inner corner is going to be the yellow shade. So we have the gradient effect going horizontally as well. I really hope that makes sense. It's probably easier to watch this part. Oh my god, told you I was sick. Alright, so I have the NYX glitter adhesive and the NYX loose glitter, I believe in the color bronze. I'll have it down below in the description box. So I'm just mixing those two products on the back of my hand and then taking that on a small, fine, pointed brush and putting that just above my natural crease. You can kind of see here, it's going to be right where we started our cut crease with the concealer. Yeah, I feel like you need like a little oomph in your eyeshadow on Thanksgiving because you can look fabulous even when you're in a food coma after eating all of the Thanksgiving food. Alright, I'm going to throw on some winged eyeliner real quick. I really want to know what other looks you guys want to see for the upcoming holidays. My birthday is pretty soon too, in like a week and a half, so I want to do like a birthday look and then of course like holiday Christmas looks. So I have a lot of ideas. I just hope I can kind of get over this sore throat cough so that I can do more talk throughs. But let me know in the comments what other makeup looks you guys want to see. Alright guys, so after popping on some eyeliner and fake eyelashes, I'm taking this Becca foundation and just taking it on a damp beauty blender, patting that into my skin. After that, we are going to be taking the Do the Hula by Benefit. This is just like a liquid bronzer. Since someone stole my powder hula bronzer, my sister, even though she won't admit it. You know me, taking a small brush to blend this out. And then we're going to be taking this on our nose as well, just for a little bit of contour, because we trying to look snatched on Thanksgiving, because Lord knows I'm going to be eating a lot. Again, using the same NARS concealer, putting that on the under eyes, the chin, and the tip of the nose, blending that out with the damp beauty blender. I'm also going to be taking this Sonia Kashuk brightening powder and putting that right on top of where you put that concealer. I'm not going to leave it on there very long. I'm just going to wipe it away pretty quickly here. But I do love this powder. It actually does brighten, and with my dry skin, I don't feel like it dried it out at all. It was really good. I liked it a lot. Alright, we're taking the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. Guys, this stuff smells amazing, like coconuts and paradise and everything you ever dreamed of. Putting that right on top of that liquid bronzer just to kind of set everything in place and kind of give us that bronzy glow. Alright, this is the Sonia Kashuk eyeliner. I'm putting that on the bottom waterline and then going to pop some mascara on those bottom lashes as well. Oh, I forgot, we're going to do some eyeshadow first. So basically just following the same steps as the top lid. The yellow is going to go in the inner corner. I'm mixing the two oranges together and just kind of smoking that, blending that on the rest of the lower lash line. I have this Maybelline highlighter. I wasn't sure about it. It kind of gave off like a pink glow, which was fine. I just kind of wanted something a little bit more icy, I guess, but it worked. We're gonna put that above our lip on the tip of our nose, and we're gonna move on to this liquid lip by NYX. Guys, I think I've said this in like every video. I love NYX lip products. They last so long and they're so comfortable. Like if you don't have one, you need one or 5. Anyways, that is the completed look, you guys. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you have a great Thanksgiving. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.